Greetings to everyone watching this video. I'm Odysseus Baguma, teaching you the 16th lesson of English. This time round, we're going to learn about comprehension, and you must use your comprehension book to do this work. Yes, we are handling comprehension, and today we have a text. I hope each of you can read that text. And we read together. The table below shows the 2019 period results of Graceland Primary School, Kotido. That is the school. You are required to study it carefully and then answer in full sentences the questions that follow. It goes, the name of the school is shown. Each of you can read it. Graceland Primary School, Kotido. Then the center number is shown as 009013, and the district is Kotido. We proceed and have the table showing results. You need to study that table carefully. We have the candidate's name, the sex, then subjects in that order: English, science, mathematics, and social studies. Then the total aggregate and division. Those candidates are arranged in alphabetical order. Their names are arranged in alphabetical order. So we have from the first number up to the 13th. I want you to study their scores. The first one is Achai Diana. You see what she got. Each of you can see that. I don't need to waste time on that. The next one is Acham Sandra, who is a female. Her scores are shown. The next one is Achan Angel. The scores are shown. Aine Victor, Akuro Rachel, Bongomin Ivan, Kia Martina, Matama Patua, Namara Hilda, Okoth Emma, Oweni Andrew, Segawa Joab, and Sirimenya Ezra. Then we have our key there, whereby M stands for male, F stands for female. Words ABS represent absent, meaning that person did not do that examination. We have AGG. Those letters stand for aggregate. We have DIV, which stands for division. Okay, we can now proceed to the next part. We can proceed to the next part. Having seen that table, we need to answer those questions. The first question is, for which school are the above results? You need to analyze. Is the school known? We can go back and see if the school is known. Yes. School, I hope you are able to see the name of the school. Graceland Primary School, Kotido. That's the name of the school. Without the word Kotido, your answer is not correct. Why? We can have very many schools called Graceland. But the one being talked about at this time is Graceland Primary School, Kotido. So, when we come here, we ought to phrase our answer. For which school are the above results? For which school are the above results? You will realize that we highlighted the words for and then Why did we do so? we need you to know that if a question begins with a preposition, you must use that preposition in your answer. 2, you need to note that helping verbs are used as one is phrasing the answer. So if it is, for which school are the above results? You might say, the above results are for Graceland Primary School, Kotido. That is our answer. We can read it together. The above results are for Graceland Primary School, Kotido. I hope each of you would pass that. Okay, we come to part B. When did the above candidates sit for Peer E? When did the above candidates sit for Peer E? We have words guiding us to phrase the answer or to know the question. When? What does the question of when call for? When calls for an adverb of time. We need a time word. As we are answering, when calls for a time word. So we must have that time word. Then we have did, which is a helping verb. This helping verb affects the verb as we are phrasing our answer. Which helping verb do we have in this case? We have did. Then, having seen the helping verb, you need to note the verb, the main verb you have in our question. Which verb is that? It is highlighted. Yes, the verb is to sit. Meaning, if you have did, the verb to sit will change to the past simple form. The past simple form of the verb to sit is, yes, think about it. Is sat. So as you are phrasing the answer, you need to first go and see the time word shown there. The table below shows the 2019 PRE results of Graceland Primary School, Kotido. Do you have any other time word? No. So here, the time word we have is 2019. And 2019, we are all aware it is a year. Note that when you are given a year or a month, we use preposition in, because each of those shows a big period of time. We use preposition in. You know that if we have date, we use preposition on that date. The date is specific. And when we are talking about a month, it is big, so we must use preposition in. So here, since we have a year, we are going to use preposition in. Remember, the year is 2019. So let's come and phrase the answer. The above candidates sat for Peer E in 2019. I'm sure you would get that right. We come to part C. And part C reads, why do you think Segawa Joab missed Peer E? Why do you think Segawa Joab missed Peer E? Because we have the word think. The word think calls for an opinion question. Why do you think he missed? I'm giving you that time to think. Hey, think. Why do you think Segawa Joab missed Peer E? I know most of you have ever missed examinations, be it end of term, beginning of term, or mid-term. What are those possible reasons? What are the reasons why your fellows miss examinations? Why you missed such examinations? Reasons, we want them. What are those reasons? You will realize that some of you missed because you were sick. Others missed because they woke up late on the examination day. Others missed because they got an accident. You know, those are some of the possible causes of one's missing of an examination. So it is the same case with this boy Segawa. We are sure, or we think, that this boy got an accident. No? Got an accident during the examination period. Okay? We think that Segawa Job missed PRE because he fell sick. He fell sick before the examinations were done. You see? So we can have different opinions there. Think about such opinions. Okay, I have given one of the responses, and it is, I think Segawa Joab missed PRE because he fell sick during the examination period. You know, the examination period starts with briefing. When you are briefed, then the period has started. You see? So, we think that one happened and Segawa missed the examination, the primary living examinations. Then we proceed. Part D. How many candidates are in the table? The highlighted words are in. When you're given such words, you need to note that you don't have a main verb in our question. And whenever we don't have a main verb, we must begin with a pronoun there, showing that something exists. Not their possessive pronoun, we must get the difference. How many candidates are in the table? How many candidates were in the table? How many candidates were in the classroom? You see, when you have such questions, we must begin with there. There were, if you have were as a helping verb, or there are, if you have are as a helping verb. So here, since we have are, we need to know the total number of candidates that are shown. When we check, come, you will analyze that following the correct order, you will have 13 candidates. So, when we get our correct phrasing, we shall have the answer as there are 13 candidates in the table. You need to note that our answer must be well written and well punctuated. 13 must be written in words, not in figures. There are 13 candidates in the table. What if you are given a different question? How many candidates are shown in the table? You need to note that in the last question I've mentioned, we have the verb show. How many candidates are shown in the table? There, since we have the verb show, the main verb, we must begin with the exact number. So in such a question, we would begin with 13 and say 13 candidates are shown in the table. That would be the answer for the question I've mentioned. But the answer to the question we have that we see there on our screen is the one shown. Okay, we come to part E. How many candidates sat PRE according to the table? We have seen the total number of candidates. Then, how many candidates sat PRE according to the table? We need to get the total number of candidates that sat PRE. Can we go back? Do we have anyone who did not sit PRE? That would be the question. We have seen there are 13. But we want to find out if there are any candidates that did not sit. Yes, check. Are there any? Are there any candidates that did not sit PRE? Yes, you will note that we have ABS. And we have noted that ABS stands for absent, meaning that one did not sit. And you note that when you get X is given to any candidate who has missed an examination. So we shall get the total number we have, that is 13, and we take away one who did not sit. Then, how many candidates sat PRE according to the table. Phrase the answer. Since we have the verb sat, we must begin with the number. We must begin with the number. What should be the answer? We shall strictly say 12 candidates sat PRE according to the table. You need to take note that the phrase according to the table must appear in our answer. The phrase according to the table must appear in our answer. 12 candidates sat PRE according to the table. Okay, beloved candidates, having seen all those questions, I appeal to you to download the exercise. We shall as well give you the table. You analyze the table, answer the questions that will be given under that table. Remember to answer in full sentences. You must use your comprehension book. The corrections for grammar will be made in the next lesson of grammar. And corrections for comprehension, we shall be guiding you. We shall show you that this is comprehension. We use a comprehension book. You must abide by the guidelines given to you by the Ministry of Health. Stay home, stay safe.